when she says you don't need to make the car faster.
Who the fuck you think you talking to?
Got a little unboxing. I've already unboxed it though, but here be one of the first JBR Accord cylinder heads. Ferrer valves and springs and retainers to keep the valve seats. And out of respect, I'm not going to show the ports, but it is a ported cylinder head. And right here is the block. It's got JBR sleeves. It's O-ring. It's 86 millimeter. It's got JE pistons, Wiseco boost line rods, and it was done by JBR. So yeah, the cylinder head's here.